In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 500 by 8 using the long division method. See that 5 is less than 8. That is why we will consider the number 50. We know that 8 times 6 is 48. Subtract this 48 from 50, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 8. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 4. Now see that this 4 is less than 8, but we have no number to bring down here. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 500 divided by 8 is equal to 62.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.